Namaste guys, in this video I am going to make this wire bending animation that is deforming under the load in SolidWorks. Before I start this video, I want to make a special thanks to Mr. Varshit Solipuram for helping this channel by donating. I am really thankful to you bro for helping this channel, and this video is for you. So let's get started. So this is the animation that we are going to make. So remember, I am making all these parts in assembly components. I am not going to make a separate component and assemble it. So click on new, click on assembly, click OK. After that, click on insert components, click on the new part, select the part, click on the edit component, select the top plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. Draw a circle as per your requirement. Here I am drawing a circle of diameter 130 mm and extruding it up to a length of 30 mm. Okay. Now click OK. After that, select the top face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. Draw a circle of 10 mm. Remember, the reason I am drawing this circle is just so that when I make my third part, it will make my work easier. Where to draw lines, nothing else. That is the main purpose of the circle, just to help me to guide where is the last point. Okay, and nothing else. And enter the center distance. After that, select these 2 points by pressing Ctrl and click on make vertical. Click OK. Exit the sketch mode. Now click on the exit edit assembly component mode. Press Ctrl and right click and drag this part. After that, click on rotate component, rotate this part and go to the mates and select these sides. Click OK and move this part upward direction. Now click on the mate, select this sketch and this sketch. Make sure that they are concentric. Click OK. After that, click on insert components, click on new part. This is the last part, that is I am talking about part 3. Click on the edit component, select the right plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. Now click on spline, select style spline. Now draw the spline as I am drawing. After that, press escape. Now select these two lines, make it vertical and equal. Okay, and select these two lines by pressing Ctrl, make it equal. So what basically gonna happen, oh sorry, I forgot one part. Select this line, click on smart dimension and give it a length, let's say 150 mm. So this is the main thing that is gonna, okay, 152.23. okay, so this is the main thing that is going to do the deformation work. So basically what's gonna happen, when this cylinder it moves downward, it will gonna deform this. Now because its length is remain gonna constant, so what it will gonna do, it will gonna deform this wire so that it can satisfy this condition. Okay, so that is the whole point. After that, exit the sketch mode, go to the features, click on sort boss base, click on circular profile, enter the diameter as per requirement. Here I am entering 10 mm, that is work for me, and click on the exit edit assembly component. After that, go to the circular pattern, select this face and click on components to pattern, increase the number of instances to 13. Click OK. After that, what you need to do is click on motion study, select the front view. Now click on the time bar, make it move to the 5 seconds. Now select this cylinder, press right click on your mouse, drag it downward. After that, click on the rebuild icon. Here you can see. Now click on play. So here you can see the animation. you can give it color as per your requirement. And here's a request for you guys. My channel doesn't get enough watch hours, so my channel is not monetized. So if anybody can support this channel on PayPal, I will be very thankful to them. And if you are a poor person like me who doesn't have money, so just please share the video. I will be thankful, or just watch my videos fully if possible. I will be very thankful to you if I can get some support. And thanks for watching and have a great day. Make sure you watch our other videos too, and namaste.